Hello YouTubers, here's a video about front door, video for the homeowners. This is a new house, and lately I was noticing that my door deadlock is starting to lock a little bit tighter over here. And this is the smart house. So to lock this with the app, actually hitting over here and it's retracting back. So basically, if just by the it's got really tight at the bottom. So try to inspect what happened, and if you look on this side, and I don't know if camera gonna show, see how tight the gap over here by the bottom hinge, but check out the gap over here. Again, I don't know if you can see it really well, but that's the thing. So here's the surprise that I found out. The builder installed at the top hinge only one screws, and no, I didn't screw it out. See, there's no holes over here, just, I mean, no pre-drills, no screw holes at all, just the holes in the hinge. So the whole door, the most important hinge, the top one, holding only on one screw. So they could have mixed one in the middle, one on the bottom, but no, they missed or forgot or whatever the deal was right at the top. So now at this point, when the door already starts sagging, it's not just a matter of screwing. Again, if you're gonna see it over here, see there's a gap between hinge and door, and that's just enough for the door to sag past this striking plate over here. So instead of just running the screws, like in my case, if you have something like that, make sure you put some kind of wedge under the door to bring this door closer to the hinge. Close the gap by force manually before you try to pull it, because if you try to pull it with the screw the way it is, you are risking stripping the screw and you're not gonna fix the problem. So that's what I'm gonna try to take care of this problem right now. Well, I didn't have like a special wedges, so something like that, 2x4s and piece of something to edge it up the door at the front to bring the hinge together. I don't know if you can see it, but now the hinge tight against the door. All I have to do, run the screws, and it's gonna be like it's supposed to be. Everything was hanging just on this one screw, and you can see that it's already maybe trying to pull. I mean, it's a miracle that I lived at this house for 6 months and it lasted that long. Just like that. I don't know, I'll try to make like a before and after, but see how the crack at the top right now, nice and even, top to bottom. And now the key test, because I have right here, by the way, that's the app, Safe Haven. See, before it was closing and locking and unlocking 5 times before it actually was pushing through, before it's actually could, you know, break the lock. So let's see how it's gonna go with a new front door lock. Just like that, from first try. So when they tell you to do the house inspections, you know, just really do. This is one of the things I wouldn't think that I have a problem with. But again, see this, now the door rubber is ruined because of this, because the door was actually sagging too much. the door latch. If you have a different problem than myself and just the whole house setting, so another way to fix this thing, that's the striker plate that bolt going through. Obviously, the last resort, you want to cut, slide down, and you're gonna have ugly over here. The cleanest way, what I would do if this wouldn't be the screw problem, what I would take like a file or something and shave some of it from the bottom, because it's really like maybe 1/16 of an inch was the problem over here. But in my case, just the poor quality of my builder. And in my case, this is DR Horton. So just, I guess, another home project and home maintenance. And another thing, beside the deadbolt not matching, check out how easy the doors close and now that hinge is fixed. I mean, really easy. I don't know if you could see it in the very beginning when I was opening, but super nice and easy when everything is done when it's supposed to be. So if you have a problem like that, just check out, there's a few options how to fix this problem. Good luck.